Welcome to the Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing's Made in Southwest Virginia podcast, where we aim to educate listeners on the many impacts of manufacturing in Southwest Virginia. Today's episode is part of our ongoing series in which we deep dive into specific companies making worldwide impacts. We often hear there's nothing happening in Southwest Virginia. I've even felt that myself, but as I learned more about Southwest Virginia's manufacturers, I realized that couldn't be further from the truth. Contrary to some perceptions, Southwest Virginia is a hub of innovation and manufacturing, producing world-class products integral to people and companies around the globe. From automotive components to advanced electrical systems, our local manufacturers are driving technological advancements and economic growth on an international scale. Today we're looking at Samuel Pressure Vessel Group operating in Lebanon, Virginia. This facility is renowned for its production of high-quality pressure vessels that serve various industries worldwide. Let's look at their operations and contributions. Samuel Pressure Vessel Group is a global leader in the design, manufacturing, and distribution of pressure vessel solutions. Their Lebanon facility is among the largest manufacturers of ASME air receivers in North America, producing over 50,000 pressure vessels annually. These vessels range from 10 to 72 inches in diameter, with capabilities to fabricate custom vessels up to 180 inches in diameter. For the everyday consumer, this means that the compressed air systems powering various tools and machinery in industries like automotive, manufacturing, and energy are supported by the pressure vessels crafted right here in Southwest Virginia. At the facility in Lebanon, Samuel Pressure Vessel Group emphasizes precision and quality. The plant is ASME code and ISO 9001-2015 certified, ensuring adherence to stringent industry standards. Advanced technologies such as precision laser cutting and computer radiography are employed to maintain high-quality production. The facility supports a diverse range of industries, including compressed air, oil and gas, water treatment, chemical processing, and pharmaceuticals. Their products are integral to systems requiring reliable and safe pressure containment. Samuel Pressure Vessel Group's impact extends well beyond manufacturing. Their commitment to quality and innovation positions them as a key player in supporting various industrial applications globally. By producing reliable pressure vessels, they contribute to the efficiency and safety of operations across multiple sectors. If you'd like to learn more about Samuel Pressure Vessel Group and their range of products, check the show notes or visit their website at samuelpressurevessel.com. That's it for today's episode of Made in Southwest Virginia. Join us next time as we continue to highlight the innovative spirit of Southwest Virginia's manufacturing sector. Until then,